What's going on, everybody? My name is Aaron Latman, owner of Attention to Detail, luxury detailing and coatings in Highland, Indiana. Today I wanted to do a vehicle feature and especially a product feature on this brand new 2024 Tesla Cybertruck, which we just installed pure PPF's satin military green. This vehicle came out phenomenal with the satin military green PPF. So the biggest thing about this vehicle now is that not only is it not going to chip or scratch, because all paint protection film from Pure's PPF has rock chip and scratch protection. We wrapped all the edges so that way not only did it change the color, but it also added that protection. Pure's PPF comes with a 7-year warranty on all of their paint protection film, so you got 7 years of rock chip, ding, scratch, and rock chip resistance. I actually installed this on the Cybertruck myself. It was super easy to work with. The glue is fantastic. So what we did is when we wrapped all the edges, we took out the entire front bumper, we removed the headlight assembly, we removed all the mirrors, and what we did is we wrapped all of the edges so that way it ensured perfect, not only bonding, but also an absolute seamless install. So the biggest thing about Pure is that the glue is super easy to work with. So there was no marring, no glue lines, no spotting. It was incredible. So the cool thing about this Pure PPF is that it is 8 mils thick with a 7-year warranty. So it's not actually vinyl, which a vinyl wrap is great because it changes the color of the vehicle, but you don't get any of the rock, scratch, resistance. And the cool thing about this is that it has a 7-year warranty versus vinyl, which lasts between 2 years and 3 years. So the biggest benefit is that not only are you going to have this color actually last on the vehicle with Pure's PPF, but also you're going to have all of that resistance and protection, unlike a traditional vinyl wrap. So this is satin military green Pure PPF on a 2024 Tesla Cybertruck. Just check it out, it's super sweet.